Hello student, a very warm welcome to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher. So we have already started our chapter 8, that is body movement. So in this chapter we will learn about different body structure like skeletal systems, how our skeletal system help us to move. Okay. So for today we have the topic that is dislocation and fracture of bones, means how our bones are dislocated and how our bones got fractured. So first of all, many times just because of the accident, we have also seen our around us that so many people they got broken bones. Their bones are broken or their bones are dislocated, means this the bones are misplaced, okay, just because of their accident. So how broken means they are completely broken, they will be slightly broken, or dislocated means they have displaced from their original position, okay. So actually what happened in this, the ligament, we have learned about the ligament which join bones to another bones. So the ligament which is joining the bones get torn, okay, due to the accident, and just because of this torn ligament we feel lots of pain, and also we can see the swelling on that specific area, okay. So there might some in some major injuries or in some major accidents, we also see that our bones are also get affected. So if the bone is broken, if a bone is broken, then it is called as a fracture, okay. If a bone is broken, then it is called as a fracture. And if a bone has misplaced from its original position, then it is called as dislocation of bone, okay. So whenever we suffer these problems, we just go to the doctor, and doctor study the x-ray image, okay, of the concerned body part, so we can easily find out the fracture and dislocation of our body through the x-ray rays, x-ray ray image, okay. We also we have seen so many times this x-ray. So with the x-ray image, doctor can easily find where at what specific area of our body has fractured or the bones has misplaced, okay. So this is the reason why we feel the pain during the fracture, why there is a swelling, just because of the ligament which is joining one bone to another get torn, okay. Now we will talk about the cartilage, okay. We will talk about the next topic, that is cartilage. So basically cartilage is somehow equal to same as a bone, but it is different from the bones, as bone is very hard, okay, and cartilage, it is a very soft tissue which is attached to the bones, okay. Cartilage is a very soft tissue which is attached to the bones, and this cartilage protects our bones, and also it helps us to move, okay. And it also gives shape to a certain part of our body like ear pinna and nose, okay. Ear pinna, that is the external part of the ear which is joined with the head, okay. So cartilage, it is not a bone, it is a soft tissue which is attached to the bones. Now if we will learn the difference between the bone and cartilage, so bone is hard whereas the cartilage is very soft, okay. Bone is very hard whereas the cartilage is very soft, okay. Now bone matrix is hard and it is not flexible, whereas cartilage matrix is flexible, it helps us to move. Now third thing we will talk, bone is composed of calcium and phosphorus, okay. Bone is a combination of phosphorus and calcium, whereas cartilage, it is a compound of proteins and sugar, it is compound of protein and sugar. So here we can easily find the difference between a bone and cartilage, that bone is a composed of calcium and phosphorus, whereas cartilage is a composed of proteins and sugar, okay. It is not cartilage doesn't consist calcium and phosphorus. Now bones make our skeleton, where cartilage supports the bones, okay. This is the difference between the bones and cartilage, like bones make our whole skeleton system properly, whereas cartilage supports the bone. So here, let us revise some questions are given in you, like what are the joints, why are we able to fold our arms, how is hinge joint different from a ball and socket joint. So I do believe that I have explained these questions, so now you are able to answers these questions by yourself. Okay.